Hello friends, in previous lecture we discussed stability of carbocation. It depends on electron donating group, electron withdrawing group, then inductive effect, resonance effect, then lastly we discuss the hyperconjugation. Up to this we cover in previous lecture. Today we will start the remaining part of alkyl halide. This is lecture number 4. Stereochemistry or racemization. In the SN1 reaction, theoretically the nucleophile can approach the substrate from both sides of the intermediate carbonium ion to give 100% racemization. But practically it is never obtain 100% racemization because we never get 50% inversion and 50% retention. The amount of backside attack and the front side attack depends on the stability of intermediate carbonium ion and the solvent used in the reaction. That means in SN1 reactions, the first step is the departure of the good leaving group. Then we get the carbocation, then attack of nucleophile, and we get the racemic mixture. Here, the stereochemistry of SN1 reaction that take place via contact ion pair. This reactant here, starting material, it having the R enantiomer. In SN1 reaction, the first step is departure of the good leaving group, and the reaction take place in presence of aqueous ethanol, and here we get the carbocation. That means in SN1 reaction, first step is the departure of the good leaving group and we get carbocation. And this carbocation is trigonal planar and sp2 hybridize. Here this is a partial bromine bond and here plus charge and here minus charge. That means we get the here ion pair. Now the carbocation is planar, therefore both side attack is possible. That means from front side and from back side. Here the nucleophile is water molecule. It will be attacked from front side. Here fast steps, and in SN1 reaction, the attack of nucleophile is the fast steps. Here we get one intermediate, here minus H plus, and finally we get the front side attack. The product is 17% S enantiomer, and when this nucleophile attack from back side, it is a very fast steps. Here again minus H plus, and here backside attack it is 83% yes enantiomer, or sometimes we get the 66% yes enantiomer plus 34% racemic mixture. That means overall finally we will get the racemic mixture. That means in SN1 reaction, the first step is the departure of the good leaving group. We get the carbocation, and next steps is attack of nucleophile, and finally we will get the racemic mixture. Now then next point is effect of solvent. The solvent plays a major role on the rate of nucleophilic substitution reaction, as these reactions involve formations of charged species. The solvent polarity can either stabilize or destabilize these charged species and hence can influence the rate of reaction. In SN1 reaction, the rate determining steps is the formation of carbocation and halide ion. Generally, polar solvents like water can stabilize both ions by solvation, and the polar solvent increases the rate of SN1 reaction. For example, the solulysis of tertiary butyl bromide in ethanol and water, the rate of reaction increases thousands times. And when the solvent is changed from less polar solvent like ethanol to more polar solvents like water, here in a chart, here solvent proportions are given, and here relative rates of SN1 reaction. In 100% ethanol, here rate is 1, and 100% water, here rate is 1200. That means when the solvent is changed from less polar solvent like ethanol to more polar solvent like water, the rate will be increases. Next example, consider the solulysis of 1-phenyl-ethyl bromide. In this case, the nucleophile attacks the carbonium ion after it has separated from the leaving group. That means in SN1 reaction, the first step is departure of the good leaving group, and then we get the carbocation, and in next step attack of nucleophile will take place. Here this is a reactant having R enantiomers, okay, and here the stereochemistry of SN1 reaction that take place via a solvent separated ion pair. Now in SN1 reaction it is take place in aqueous ethanol. In SN1 reaction, here first step is the departure of the good leaving group, and here we get the carbocation. And this carbocation again it is trigonal planar, therefore both side attack is possible. Here the nucleophile is water, it will be attack. It is just as a slow steps. Here we get the one intermediate steps, here minus H plus, and we get the front side attack, we get the 50% S enantiomer. And in next steps, the relatively it is a slow steps, the water molecule attack from back side, and here the minus H plus, we get the back side attack, that is 50% S enantiomer. That means in SN1 reaction, the departure of the good leaving group, we will get the carbocation, and this carbocation is trigonal planar, therefore both side attack is possible, and finally we will get the racemic mixture, that means 100% racemic mixture. This is about the SN1 reaction. So friends, in SN1 reaction we have to remember that in SN1 reaction the first step is departure of the good leaving group. After departure of the good leaving group, we will get the carbocation. This carbocation is trigonal planar, therefore both side attack is possible, and finally we will get the racemic mixture. For more videos